In this video, I'll show you how to create a workflow in monday.com. Start from your monday.com workspace and open the board where you want to manage your process. If you don't have a board yet, click the plus add button on the left sidebar, hover over board and select new board. Click create board manually at the bottom and give your board a name and choose whether you want it to be main, private, or shareable. Then click create board. Once the board opens, start by creating groups. Groups help organize larger sections of work. For example, you might create groups called backlogs, current projects, or completed work. You can add new groups by clicking Add New Group at the bottom of the board. Next, create the columns that will hold your information. You'll usually want a status column, a people column, and a date column. If you need additional information, click the plus button on the far right side of the board to add more columns, such as priority, timeline, numbers, tags, or files. Now begin adding tasks by clicking New Task or New Item at the bottom of a group. Enter the name of each task. For example, if you are managing content production, your tasks might include research topic, write script, record video, edit footage, and publish content, or many other tasks. Next, define the stages of your workflow. Click on the status column and customize the labels by clicking Edit Labels at the bottom of the dropdown. For example, you might choose labels such as Not Started, In Progress, Waiting for Review, Approved, and Done. As work progresses, tasks will move through these stages, making it easy to see where everything stands. Assign task owners using the people column. Then, add due dates using the date column so team members know when work needs to be completed. You can also use priority labels to identify urgent work and timeline columns to plan longer projects. You can also add different views by clicking the plus add view button at the top of the board. There are many kinds of views you can select from. Choose the view that best suits your workflow. As your workflow grows, continue refining your columns, groups, and automation so the board matches how your team actually works. A well-structured workflow helps reduce confusion, improves collaboration, and makes it easier to manage projects from start to finish. And that's how to create a workflow in monday.com.